Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this video we are going to see about web hosting. So this topic is basically for 12th standard HSC student, those who are having IT subject, and this topic is from lesson number 1, that is advanced web designing. Now as we are learning regarding the web pages, we are learning about HTML, so we all are aware that how a web page is created and how a website is created. But along with that, we must also have a knowledge related to web hosting. So in this video, we are going to see the concepts like what is web hosting, its mechanism, how it exactly works, which are the different types of web hosting in the market, and also we are going to learn about the basic terms related to web hosting. Now, before understanding web hosting, we must always know what is a web page. So, web page is nothing but a document. It is an hypertext document which is provided by the website and it can be displayed on the web browser. So, you may have the web browsers like Google Chrome, like Mozilla Firefox. So, these are all the different web browsers which we use to run our HTML program on which the output is seen, and that output, that पेज विच इज़ डिस्प्लेड इज़ योर वेब पेज. सो एक वेबसाइट में आपके एक ही वेबसाइट में बहुत सारे वेब पेजेस हो सकते हैं. सो दिस इज़ अबाउट वेब पेज एंड अबाउट वेबसाइट. नाउ वी नो हाउ टू क्रिएट अ वेब पेज. हमें ये भी पता है कि एक वेब पेज को दूसरे वेब पेज से कैसे लिंक करना है. वी यूज़ हाइपर लिंक, वी यूज़ लिंक टैग, ओके, लिंक एट्रीब्यूट. ओके, सो बिकॉज ऑफ दिस व्हाट हैपन्स, a page connectivity is created and a website is created. Now only making a website, is it sufficient? No, you need to make your website available on the internet. तो वो आप कैसे करोगे? अगर आपको कोई घर कंस्ट्रक्ट करना है तो घर अगर आपको कंस्ट्रक्ट करना है तो आपको एक प्लॉट खरीदना पड़ेगा. It is same like that if you want to make your website available on internet, you need to book a space in the internet. So these web pages are always stored in the web servers that are connected to the internet and they are easily made available to others. अभी web hosting मतलब क्या है? So web hosting is an online service that enables you to publish your website और द वेब एप्लीकेशन ऑन द इंटरनेट. तो आपकी जो वेबसाइट है वो दूसरे लोगों को अवेलेबल करना, वो किसका काम है? वेब होस्टिंग का काम है. सो व्हेन यू साइन अप फॉर वेब होस्टिंग सर्विस, बेसिकली आपको क्या मिलती है? आपको एक स्पेस मिलती है, वो भी रेंट पे. यू हैव टू पे मंथली चार्जेस, यू हैव टू पे एनुअली चार्जेस टू बुक द स्पेस. Okay, for that particular period of time, that space or the owner of that space will be you. Okay, so where you can store all the files, all the data regarding your website. Now let us look at the mechanism of web hosting. So web hosting services provided by the hosting company which provide a web space for storing your web files in the internet. It needs to host your domain name. तो आपका जो भी domain name है, it can be related to your organization, it can be related to anything. So that domain name has to be given. These are the servers that are running in uptime 24/7. So these are the strong servers which works 24/7 with the help of internet, so that the domain and the website is visible to the global audience around the clock. तो easily ये access जो है वो सारे वर्ल्ड में इंटरनेट के थ्रू आपके वेबसाइट का एक्सेस ग्लोबली सभी को मिलता है. इफ़ वी कीप आवर वेब फाइल्स इन आवर सिस्टम, दे वोंट बी विजिबल ऑन द इंटरनेट. सो वी प्लेस वेब फाइल्स विद द डोमेन नेम ऑन द सर्वर. अगर आपने कोई भी वेब पेज क्रिएट किया और आपने वेब होस्टिंग की सर्विस नहीं ली है, तो इसका मतलब क्या है कि आपका प्रोग्राम इंटरनेट पे तो रन होगा, लेकिन आपका जो प्रोग्राम है वो बाकी लोगों के लिए अवेलेबल नहीं रहेगा. इफ़ यू वांट टू मेक इट अवेलेबल टू अदर्स, you have to do the web hosting first. You have to book a specific space for your website. so that it is available to everyone. So that space can be booked by a domain name. Domain name works like your address. So if you stay in some city, so that city is your address. In the similar manner, for your website, you require a domain name which works like your address. The server is running on uptime, so your website will be visible all around the world and the audience all around the world can get the access of your website. तो एक बार आपने web hosting ले ली for your particular time period, then definitely your particular website is available on internet to all the users. Now we'll see how it exactly works. So this is a quick look which you can see your website files are created. These files are hosted by web hosting, and web hosting is nothing but बहुत बड़ा server होता है जहाँ पे there is lot of availability of space where your website address is being mentioned. So everything comes on the internet where by the internet you get the access, and then easily that website is accessed by the users with the help of internet. So this is a small process by which a web hosting or the web hosting scenario works. Now we'll see some types of web hosting. So there are three types of web hosting. First is shared hosting, second is free hosting, and third is dedicated hosting. So what is shared hosting? Shared hosting is a cost effective hosting, means you can do it in a minimum cost. It gives domain name to the respective website. तो आपके website को एक domain name दिया जाता है, so that will be the address of your website. Next is your free hosting. Now this free hosting is like some of the hosting companies, they provide you free web hosting, मतलब वो free में आपको space provide करते हैं for some particular period of time, and later on they start charging you the expenses for your particular space whichever you purchase. After that we have dedicated hosting. So these are one of the paid hosting. So ये basically these types of hosting is preferred by big organizations so as that it should run properly. So this is one of the most famous web hosting, that is dedicated web hosting, which is used by the leading companies to keep their website available on internet so that it is easily accessible by everyone, and it is basically used by large websites. Now note, so this is very important note. As you can see, while choosing a web hosting provider, make sure that it provides typical but essential benefits such as strong firewall protection, data backup, domain name registration, technical support, email services, website building tools and application. So whenever you book a web hosting, you should always make sure that you have a firewall protection which keeps your website away from any type of viruses and scam. Also, you have to keep a domain name registration properly, email services, and all the technical support should be proper whenever you choose any type of web hosting. Now this is how you can see there are different types of web hosting available in the market, like Green Gigs, Big Rock, Bluehost, Hostinger, MilesWeb. So these are different web hosting. Nowadays WordPress is also one of the famous web hosting which is in the market. Now we'll see about the free web hosting in India. Hostinger is well known free web hosting site in India, and you can use this web hosting for free of cost. The fact is that they had a free hosting plan a few years ago, but now they have become an almost free or affordable hosting site, offering the plan from $0.99 per month. So as they started initially, they were providing free hosting services, but currently they are offering free hosting for some particular period of time, and later on they are just charging a minimal or affordable costing for their hosting services. Hostingers has office all over the world with 24/7 dedicated support team. So it is mostly preferred web hosting in today's world, which the college student can take a benefit of it. So this was just to motivate all of you to create a website you can just log into this particular site and do the web hosting for your website, and you can take the benefit of Hostinger to make your website available on internet. So I hope you got an idea about web hosting. So thank you very much. Kindly subscribe the channel if you like the video. Thank you.